Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Tim. Tim was very curious and always wanted to explore the world around him. One day, he decided to go on an adventure to the forest that was near his village. As he walked deeper into the forest, he saw a beautiful butterfly. He followed it and it led him to a small pond. The butterfly landed on a flower next to the pond. Tim was so mesmerized by the butterfly's beauty that he didn't notice the pond was home to a giant fish. The fish saw Tim and asked, "Why are you here, little boy? This is my home, and I don't like strangers." Tim was startled, but he was not afraid. He replied, "I am sorry. I didn't know this was your home. I was just following a butterfly and it led me here. I am not here to cause you any trouble. I just wanted to explore the forest and see what it has to offer." The fish thought about it for a moment and then said, "All right, I understand. You can stay here for a little while, but you must promise to be careful and not cause any trouble." Tim promised and the fish allowed him to stay. Tim spent the day observing the fish and all the other creatures that lived in the pond. He saw different types of fish, frogs, and even a turtle. He was fascinated by all the different creatures and how they interacted with each other. As the day came to an end, Tim knew he had to go back home. The fish said goodbye to Tim, and Tim thanked the fish for letting him stay. He promised to come back and visit the fish again. From that day on, Tim visited the fish every weekend and they became good friends. Tim learned a lot from the fish and the other creatures of the pond. He learned about the importance of respecting others' home and the importance of living in harmony with nature.